Hi, this is Nick from Lipscombe, Abarth. I'm just going to show you around this 2021 Abarth 595 Turismo 165 brake horsepower. As you can see, it's finished in Campovolo grey, which is a very popular colour. It's got a 17-inch alloy wheel upgrade with red calipers and the black Abarth side stripe with the black door mirrors. Let's just take you inside the car. So here we are on the inside. It's got the brown heritage leather, which has only been available recently in the Abarth range. It's new to the Abarth range. We've got the grey, matte grey dashboard, 7-inch touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay and the climate control there, which is part of the Turismo pack. This car also comes with auto lights and wipers. And the trim looks really lovely in the car. So we'll just take you around the rest of the car now. So the Turismo comes fitted with reverse parking sensors and the twin tailpipes you've got there. Got Turismo badge on the back of the car. And there you've got the 50-50 split rear seat with the rear headrests. Campovolo grey is a very popular colour, and as you can tell, the car looks really stunning with the stripe. Just breaks it up a bit, and the red calipers. So there you go, 2021 Abarth 595 Turismo in stock for immediate delivery.